So what does Chemical Guy's Bug and Tar Remover Fast Acting Car Wash smell like? Let's find out. It's a new bottle. Let's break the seal on this. It's quite an orange color. It smells like soap. Like funky soap. That's chemically soap. It's you know, like there's definitely something strong. You know, these things aren't, you know, it's not removing bug and tar with a please and thank you. It's got to have some punch. So, but like as that, it's not as bad as like most, you know, like decontaminating wash type stuff. Yeah, not bad. Doesn't really smell like anything, but it doesn't smell terrible. So, yeah, there you go. Bug and tar remover from Chemical Guys.